Hello, my name is Mike Andrews. I am the production print specialist for Advanced Systems. I've been in the industry for just over 18 years and been the production print specialist for Advanced Systems for about the last 6 or 7 years. I've fulfilled many different roles within the industry and right now primarily focus in the production print area and helping our sales reps with their clients. The Advanced Systems production print, which is me, is responsible for specific products. Those are wide format inkjet printers. This is a product that would allow you to print anything from a CAD drawing or architectural drawings all the way up to you can print out photos. We have printers that will print on canvas. It just allows people to bring things in or do things that might be cost prohibitive now. That they can run your own posters and or prints yourselves. We also work with high volume black and white devices. This would range from 55 to 135. We even have devices that will run 320 images per minute. So if you're doing a lot of high volume black and white, typically we'll keep that on the black and white side and we can help clients with that. We've also run into a lot of instances where people need to run envelopes. Those can either be high volume envelopes or they want to narrow down to their envelopes to a specific targeted market and or theme. And with those solutions, you really need something that will print envelopes and is built for envelope printing. So we can help with that. Also, they're high volume and kind of crosses over to high quality color devices. Some of our devices can be configured to take on different finishing options or larger quantities of paper, but also can be scaled down to just some basic needs. Along with the envelope printing, there are some devices that also have clear and or white toner as a spot color. So this will allow you to either show the effect that you would give with a UV coating with toner and or with white. It will allow you to print on a media that is a darker color. This people are using for wedding invitations, just different applications that the white toner will help with. Also, any device that uses a RIP or a print controller, all copiers now can virtually print. At one point, you had to have a separate computer, and now that's still available. What that does is gives us more control over color, especially when we get into spot color matching, matching of logos. And also in the black and white world, we still need instances where you have more control over your jobs, whether those are reprints or just massive quantities of jobs printed. Along with all these devices, there's software they use, whether it's the RIP that drives it or if it's make-ready software, meaning in the case where you're going to do business cards or brochures, you may need to lay those out so that they'll print on the paper correctly. Sometimes those softwares will allow you to then use finishing equipment and get them to line up specifically, whether it's going into a trimmer with crop marks or you need to fold at a specific point. So when finishing equipment is needed offline, there's joggers and different things that we have access that we can help, whether you're doing high volumes of it or it's just you need a basic cutter in the copy room. We talked about some of the product categories that I end up helping sales reps with, but really what production print provides is it gives you another layer of support. So you as a customer or even our own team, it's somebody that's focused on solving similar problems across a larger area. So that way if you're in our westernmost area and you have something going on, I have the ability to use something that I help somebody on our eastern side of our territory to help with. Really what this does is it brings our whole team together and allows us to provide solutions and solve problems, kind of a place where everything comes together. Another thing is great quality. Great quality is not too expensive. I mean, the industry right now, we have more capability than we've ever had, ranging in budgets for just a small machine up to a large machine in a print shop. Uh, in many cases, the roadblocks to get great quality is far past the how much is a lease and what's the service rate. When we look at an overall organization, understand their business goals, we can focus on the right solutions at the right place. So when we come in and we start asking a lot of questions that maybe someone else isn't asking and doesn't seem to have anything to do with the copier, if we truly understand what your goals are, then we can get a little bit creative and find what makes sense. A lot of times price comes into play, and it always does. So the more we understand of it, we're able to find the right solution at the right price point. Thank you for listening to this quick video. If you want more information about some of the topics we talked about, or if that spurred a question, feel free to visit us at our website. Or if you want to talk to me directly, you can call our 800 number, 1-800-274-2047. Thank you for your time.